Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment for the tech sector, with a sentiment score of plus 0.18 and momentum at plus 0.50. This is significant, especially when you consider that the historical baseline hasn't shown such a strong upward trend in recent weeks. What does our API provide? It returns a comprehensive sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying themes driving these shifts in sentiment. Imagine you're building a dashboard for tech news. You could leverage this spike to highlight emerging trends, alerting your users to key shifts in public perception. For more insights and to dive deeper into our capabilities, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the data together.